1903 with $28,000 in cash. The company initially operated in a small industrial building in Detroit, but it soon became highly successful and went on to become one of the largest automakers in the world. In the first 15 months, the company manufactured 1,700 automobiles, and by 1914, half of the automobiles in the world were made by Ford. This success was due to the many innovations introduced by Henry Ford. The most important of these was the moving assembly line, which made mass production possible and established modern automobile production. In 1903, the Ford Company began using the first 19 letters of the alphabet to name new cars. The legendary Model T was launched in 1908, and in the following 19 years, more than 15 million were sold due to its low price, reliability, and easy handling. One of the designers of this model was the Hungarian-born Joseph A. Galam, who also played an important role in other innovations at the company. Known as Tin Lizzie, the car was made in several body styles, but they all had a steel chassis and a high-quality body, initially made of wood and later of metal. The four-cylinder engine produced 20 horsepower. The Model T was equipped with a gear stick, a threaded spindle steering system, and running gear without shock absorbers. The windscreen and speedometer were included in the basic model in 1910. The Model T was originally only available in black in order to reduce costs. Henry Ford, owner of the company that revolutionized automobile production as well as transport and industry in the U.S., became one of the richest and most famous people in the world. His company is still run by the Ford family.